Sure.
Okay, this is number 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Lucas Modipe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Stellenbosch 1. My brother, how do you feel about the game tonight?
Well, it was a good game, given the weather.
Yeah.
That was pertaining today.
Yeah.
Well, we give it our best. In a soaking,
At home, yeah.
At home, in a soaking pitch.
Exactly, yeah.
It's a good result for us.
I was worried that, because of those are kicked on boys, they play very well in this way.
No, well, I know that they're used to that weather.
Yeah.
But also, as we came prepared, that we saw the conditions were not conducive.
Yeah.
But I think we played to our strength.
Yeah.
As always, we don't rush.
Yeah.
Kill them with holding the ball.
Yeah.
Nothing more than that.
What do you think about Maseko's play? Because I think he hasn't gelled yet with the
For me, I think he should relax a bit. Don't rush to
go forward.
with the ball sometimes.
Yes.
Yeah, you remember when he was from Bloemfontein? Morena?
Yeah.
He used to do the same.
He used to run, yeah.
Yeah, but now
At least he's cool.
now he's toned down the running.
Yeah.
Let the ball do the talking by me.
And who was your man of the match tonight?
Well, for me, I would say, given the conditions, I wouldn't give it much credit.
Thank you very much, man. All the
Sure.
best, yeah.
No, thanks, my man.
Hey, Tana,
Sure.
sure.